Hello, my diaries. Messi Taruvinga, how are you? Petronella Kanjanga, say, Nancy Bususi, Kwai, Auntie Selina, how are you? Auntie Selina, very boss, Terek, Matia Shende Ipi, Ruva D, how are you? Martha Makumbe, Ndeipi. Muri say, my diaries, how are you? On this Saturday morning, Muri say. Murisei wedwe. Hey, kuno ya sama. Laina Fadzai, how are you? Tintende Brandy Nyambadzo, how are you? Anzi dzaburuka nyasha dza Jehovah. Dzaburuka shua. Kuno dzaburuka iwinter. Sorry, isama. Kwa kupisa takwanisa kugara panze takatogara pfeka masaniti. Febi Jakata, how are you? Auntie Selina, very right, hysteric. Monata Uya, how are you? I'm doing great. Zaburuka Nyasha. Desama ya uye de 1 week before our first ever SIS MELLY Diaries ball ku Birmingham ko Busang. How are you? Kwai Hevo. Good morning, Tete. Privi Zara, how are you? Sending my love to you as well. Ndeipi, Toko Ada Areva. I think I missed your call, but numbers are waka phone if I remember very well. But it's a phone yo. But how are you, Toko Ada Areva? Precious Chirwa Tambo Kwaidzana, Rachel Ridza. Kwai hello, Auntie Selina. I feel like this year, Kunoko Africa, it's not that cold. Oh, that is good news, Nancy, if it is the case. But in Drukunzgwavanu, Urkupi, Nancy. Drukunzgwavanu, Arku, South Africa, wachicomplaina kutono, Urwastereki. Urikupi, where are you? Hilda Nyakabao, Hanzi, hi, Auntie Selina. Hilda Nyakabao, how are you? Wedwe. Zvinongo nakidza kuti ona takagara panze kudai o. For me, last summer has been the coldest. Last winter has been the coldest winter that I've ever experienced. Apart from the year that I came, ndisati nyaso jaira chando. A long time, pretty. Also, ku South Africa, it's freezing. The last winter for me was very cold. Ku South Africa, oh, okay. Someone is saying freezing. Someone is saying it's not all that cold. So it actually depends, I think, on where you are. Renika, instance, how are you? Looking forward to seeing you, Renika. Messi Tiwa One, how are you? Felistas Fungisai. Ndeipi Felistas. Maita Mutenda. Tinotenda mauya pano maita mutenda. Patricia Bandura. Litia Muzempe, how are you? Mukonde Maikaro. Mukonde Maikaro. How are you, Maikaro? Muri say. Wedu, without wasting much of your time. Ernesta Chikami, long time, Auntie Selina, how are you? Can I inbox you? Yes, Ernesta, you can inbox me my number, and you know Batika is 44794607356. 44794607356. Hi from Greece, says Barbara. Muri say thank you for tuning in from Greece, Barbara. Ashley Marumisa Ndeipi. Well, let me welcome you to our program. Program Dietary nayo nasi. We want to talk about ball. SIS MELLY's Diary is happening in the United Kingdom for the very, very first time. Ndo yatiruda kutaura nezvayo. My event planner will be talking more to us. She has just joined in at the moment. So if she can hold fort, she will be giving us an update of what has been happening, what has happened up to this point that we have. Because mind you, we had to get a proper event planner. Because dai makasiya zvichingoitwa nana Auntie Serena hai maionerera. But we were so blessed that an event planner who is amongst my diaries offered their services for free. Saka, we have been guided all along for the past 6 months to see, and what you will be witnessing on Saturday the 24th, it's guidance of this lady, Auntie Danai, who will be talking to us. I can assure those that are coming, you will not be disappointed. Right the minute that you get to the door, up to the last minute of the night, when we are going to end at around 2 o'clock, I can assure you, you will not be disappointed. Let me first of all say thank you to the ladies in the Diaries Functions group that have worked tirelessly. We are short of 1 week to have that due. And we have been working at odd hours in the morning and in the evening. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your understanding. I know first days, why you are trying to rush, cool down. And now we are saying, where is all the time gone? Because we have forever been on the go. Prepare ball. Everything is now in place, but I'll leave it to the event planner to say. Let me say, we are expecting SIS MELLY next week, towards the end of the week. That is when we are expecting it, towards the end of the week. We managed to do the right thing in terms of her visa. We didn't want to take kukata makona. Saka, we engaged someone. Our event planner engaged someone to talk to, a lawyer to talk to, so that we do the right thing and we apply for the right visa for her to come with, not just an ordinary visa, ordinary visitor's visa. We didn't want that because remember restrictions are now. So we made sure we got it was a very long process. Very long, tiring process, but we got there in the end, and we thank God for that. What we have waited for the past 6 months is going to come to pass on the 24th of June, on Saturday. Auntie Danai, welcome to the program. How are you?
I'm okay, Auntie.
Tiri nani. Zviri kudii kusaitika kwenyu? Ndimi muri muBirmingham macho chaimo.
Nasitamuka tine kamvura, nhasi kukutonhorera, it's a little bit cool. Saka zviri nani tiri kumbofema. 3 days dzita tichigocheka.
Muri kuti kamvura, muri kuti kuri kuti nairire.
Kwamuka kuchinairira tori pakuku chaipo.
Okay, all right. This is Auntie Danai. She is our event planner. She is based in Birmingham. For now, I will hand over to her. Kuti vatonyatsotiudza kuti zvapenge zviri kufamba seiko, chichaitika, and what are we expecting? Auntie Danai, over to you.
Thank you, Auntie Selina. Hello, my daddies. Muri say. Ahoy, my daddies. Arikuya kubo. Ahoy.
Ahoy.
Tinoda kutenda Mwari nekuti zuva redu raswedera, only 7 days to go, and
yes,
days ndo dzakurusha onai. Makona esa atinozozvita later. All now are wrapping in this week. Zvese zvakupa wrap in this week, and this week is the terrace week. And patinopedza musi weSaturday, musi weSunday makuseni, toti Mwari kudzwai.
Auntie Danai,
yes.
Auntie Danai, my son would say kuti kana chini chakuita come into fruition, he would say it's now making sense, and it's now making sense for sure.
I know. I remember the first week when we started doing our meetings, you are rushing too much. Urkuti manyisa tine nguva tine 6 months, and I remember telling them kuti 6 months it's 6 days. Saka mukaziva 6 months idzodzo 6 days munenge magonerwa, and mucha 6 days idzodzo mudzishandise sei. Saka toda diaries kuti everything is now in place. The SIS has been paid for. Apa tikuudza diaries vari kuda zvavo kunzwa nekuziva kuti zvii zviri kuitika and kuziva kuti mari yavo yakashandiswa sei, because takabata mari dzevanhu. So you need to know all this. That's why we are doing this live, so that you know kuti mari dzenyu dzakafamba sei. So our venue has been paid for. Our food yakaordwa, it's going to be delivered by Thursday, Friday. My ingredients esanenge achideliverwa to our caterer, and then Saturday morning our caterer will be cooking. So you'll be having so much on the day. Mungodyawo tuma light meals muchiri kumahotera kwenyu kana kuti kudzimba, musazodya nokuti usikuwo mucharara muchingodya. Hanzi ukamaigasva unozadziswa nekudya. Saka tichadya usiku hwese, tichadya zvedu, hapana anoshota chikafu. And we've got now a bar redu rinenge richitengesa whiskey nemamwewo madrinks. So kana madrinks pamatickets enyu mune madrinks already. You've got 6 coupons dzemadrinks, 3 dzemvura ne3 dzemadrinks. Saka kana waona kuti uchiri in need of wanting more, there's always the bar to go for, and munotenga madrinks enyu the bar. It will be a cash bar, so ka swipe as well, munokwanisa kuswipe, but we would encourage you to come with cash for the bar. Chimwe ndechekuti tine guest edu, like guest artist wedu aringa aripo, tina reverend vanenge varipo, tine shikisha dancing group inenge iripo. Why we did this is because my diaries, we are a combined faith. Tinema faith akasiyana siyana. That's what I do. Terera ma programs edu atinoita panapa. Tinema faith akasiyana. Saka we are trying to accommodate every faith. Saka kuma Christianity o tinge tiriko, then vanita traditional vanenge vachiitirwa vari kustenderwa that platform ne shikisha. Then the masalala tinenge tine guest speaker guest artist wedari kuya kuzoimba. One of she's quite new. She's new in the industry, and she's trying to ties songs as well. So this is time yekuti azviliftewo, because kana uri mudhayari unowanawo ma-advantages nai. Saka she's a diary as well, this girl. She's a diary. She's a young, beautiful girl, and she needs her work to be known as well. Saka she'll be performing on the day for us. And then we've got a photographer. I think I should take my pictures. And feel free, if you don't want your pictures to be taken, feel free to kuvaudza mune zvakanaka kuti I don't want my pictures to be taken, but these pictures won't be going anyway. There are pictures that it's not going to my pictures enyu kana muchida, but there will be pictures that will be stored in SIS MELLY's diary portfolio. Kuti vakamboyo ku England vakazodai saka it's something that it's a memorable thing that SIS MELLY is going to be having, and chichagara vachizoti patakavhura SIS MELLY diaries takabudawo nezvakati, saka it's a portfolio yatiri kutraya kuvagadzirira as well. Then the other thing was tina DJ as well. Tina DJ Sebelebe on the day. He'll be performing. Munongo vaziva DJ Sebelebe kuti munhu akarongeka chaizvo, munhu anoziva. Hanzi nevamwe ndakanzwa umwe wake ndiudza kuseruko akati ini ndinoda kuona hangu chiuno chasebhelevhe chichiri.
ndozvandauda kutotaura kuti I can't wait to see him vachikurunga chiuno.
So you'll be doing his naughty things per stage, but it's all about being happy. It's all about being happy. And then MC wedu tina Gigi chidafu chakarongeka. She's quite a beautiful lady. She's a daddy as well. We tried to accommodate my daddies into this thing so that our cost was quite limited. Saka takaona kuti tika involve vanhu my daddies already zvinotibatsira in them terms. So we've got Gigi chidafu chakarongeka. Chinenge chiripo ndo vanenge vachiri mhanyisa basa nasebhelebhe paside. Pasangana vanhu 2 vane musikanzwa saka ndizive kuti pachamira sei ipapo.
Vakomana pakaipa.
Then we've got atina sitting arrangement yekuti munhu tichati sezvakatika ticket rako number pa second lot saka ndimi muchagara pakati kana kuti chino. It's first come first serve, but the only thing chatiri kuda ndechekuti when people enter tinge tine ma-ushers vanenge vachikuusher to the tables where you're going to be sitting. Try to sit kusvika table yazara. Kana muri 5 ingotaura kuti tiri 5 kana table iyoyo yanga yasara ine 3 places ingotry kuti isu tiri 5, can we sit somewhere kuti tiri 5 tokwanisa pamwe chete. That is allowed, but try to make sure kuti all the tables tinogara pamatables tichizadza matables edu. We go kuitira kuti vanenge vanonokawo vanenge vachizogarawo matables mashure. We've got my vendors as well on this day. My vendors edu vanenge vachi-advertise nekutengesa ma-products avo. So please support them as well. Some, we've got only, I think, all of them, my diaries. And ndinakona anyone outside. Vese vari kuipapo my diaries. So try to support each other. Let's empower each other. Nemabasa edu atinoita. And zvinoencourage kuti vasati vafunga mabasa emaoko ekuita. This is the time. We need to empower each other. Mabasa emaoko. You can have your 9 to 5 job, but still you need something. You need a little hobby ekuita on the side just to help yourself. Nokuti munyika munomo mune stress. Saka sometimes to do a little thing, something that you love to do. Kana uri munhu anofarira kuita garden, go outside and do gardens. And try kana kutoitira vanhu magardening. Vanokubhadhara. You know, those of things. Saka we are trying to empower each other kuti vanhu vese munge muchiita something. Then parking. Imwe nyaya yanga ichibvunzwa nevanhu vanga vachibvunza parking. Parking is there pa venue pedu. If you bring your car, parking is there for free. We've got 200 spaces the parking. So apana wantiri kumbofungidzira kuti achashaiwa parking. Initially we had a small garden before, but pavenue apa vakazoti tironyasha vakamba vazorenovata. Hamena kuti vakazvigadzirisa sei vakawedzera garden. Saka garden redu pekutanga tatakaudzwa kunzi muchange muchipinda vanhu 10 because it was quite a small garden and vachiri previous kuti vaivida garden ravo vanga vasingade kuti ripindwe nevanhu vakawanda. But this time they've opened it up. Now that garden, everyone mukauya, please have a chance yekuenda mune the garden, mutorwe ma pictures in there. It's a beautiful place, especially kana kwazosvibirira so makungona ma lights in Birmingham. You'll be seeing the whole of Birmingham muri on the top of the garden. Garden rachona ruita unge riri pamusoro so. I don't know kuti vakarigadzira sei, but it's quite ine nangu rakandinakira. I find it unique the way they did it. So find a time yekupinda mugarden. Tine 360 as well on the night. 360 yedu ichazosetwa up a little bit later, but inenge iripo. Saka you have a chance yekuenda pa 360 muchinotorwa ma pictures enyu pa 360 muchi uploaderwa pa maphones enyu ma pictures amunenge matorwa, I think. So it's something that we are looking forward. I remember Auntie Selina vachibondiudza kuti vari kutoda chi 360 vambochi experience. tikasavaona chada munhu anozobata antiselina kana vakudona pache360. As Antiselina said as well, we are expecting SIS MELLY coming anytime next before the week ends. It will be takatovamirira, and unfortunately we are not going to be having any visits within the time before the ball. So anyone, as Coma Gordon has stated, anyone who wants to have SIS MELLY, he has to contact Coma Gordon. I would advise you to use that route and use it wisely. Then on Friday night, I had announced the global group. Friday night, we are thinking of having a dinner, a before dinner. So anyone is invited for this dinner. Imari yako chete unongouya wobhadhara mari yako kana kuti you come and tell us kuti kudo kunge uri pareservation tokuisai pareservation. Saka Friday night, if you want to have dinner with SIS MELLY, contact me, then tokuudza kuti tirikusangana kupi nguvai and everything, but unouya nemari yako yekuzvitengera dinner yako nemadrinks ako for this night. It's not part of the ball, musakanganisike, haisi force matter as well, but it's up to you if you want to see it before the ball. That's the time. In terms of food, so far there's only 2 people who told me their diets. Only 2 people vakauya vakastate up diets avo, and they are quite easy to maintain. I see all that complete. So I really appreciate for this day for people to tell me their dietary needs if we have any. Never otherwise we are not taking anything after that. Kwete kuti tazosvika musi webhoma kuti inini handidyi chakati zvese zvamunazvo apa hapana chandinodya, tiri kukupai mukana kuti mutaure ungadyi nodya, tiri kukupai mukana of that. Then chii chimwe chingade kuzikanwa nevanhu?
I think Antidani kwakutanga kunaya kunoku. I think I spoke too soon kuti kwenyu kune mvura here. I think on the food side, we just need to be considerate and bear in mind kuti hatisi kudzimba. Otherwise you might find people phoning you left, right and center to give you their special menus. Hatisi kudzimba, saka
yes. So
kana uchingodya zvese kuzoti machaya chicken curry, ndachida beef curry sei, kana ndachida chicken curry, izvo hatizoteerere. Pana ari kubvunza kunzi ko
kasadza kachiripo usiku.
Sadza wedu wetenda bva kumba kune sadza
kachiripo zvako kezvidhakwa apa mwanenge vachiitira pavanenge vamwa, but first come first serve kakapera kapera, because it was a case of the caterer.
Yeah, first come first served, so it's not sadza is not for everyone.
It's not something
tatora into consideration varume vaya vanenge vanwa vaya mose vanodawo chibataura, but sadza is not for everyone, so you might get it, you might not get it. Let's make that clear.
On the planned menu, saka pamunotanga kudya, you won't see it rinenge risipo richatozoiswa later, saka it's not something that you would see paniswa the main menu.
All right.
Kana vanhu vese vatopedza kudya rozoiswa kuma time, I think around 11, 12 there.
Okay, so on the Ningirikini meal itself, what are we saying? What is being served whilst you're set? What is being served that you go and serve yourself? What's going on in terms of that?
Okay, we've got my canopies as people go in. They'll have canopies as they'll have a welcome drink.
And each of them not canopies. I never seem to be able to pronounce that. What exactly is that?
To my appetizers.
To my appetizers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
So they'll have that as they get in, and then vono garapa vo direct talk my chairs avo start served on the table.
Starters are being served on the table. Okay.
They are going to be served nema waiters master, and we've got only 2 starters.
Okay.
We've got only 2 starters. So no choose ya uri kuda ipapo apana ndiri kudzoda supu unfortunately haipo. So
okay,
we've got 2 starters, so you choose from whatever is there on the day. Then we've got the main meal, which will be the buffet. The buffet, people will stay at the buffet voenda chikafu chavari kuda vodzoka vosikogara. On the day it will stay at least they're sitting down.
Okay, dessert
they are going to be served while sitting down.
All right. Okay. So the starter is going to be served by the waiters whilst you are set, and the main meal you serve yourself, and then we go back to the dessert. It's going to be served by
the waiters.
My waiters whilst you are set, and you have said in the envelope that you will get, which has your wristband. Une wristband mu envelope mako. Une main ticket and then ticket drinks. Am I correct?
Yes, there is 3 things in your envelope. So
3 things.
Yes, there will be 3 things in your envelope. There will be your ticket, your wristband, and your coupons. So Muchishika, you need to wear your wristband. Wristband, why you are wearing it all the time is when you want to go out and pictures panze or kudzoka unetswene security because you've got on you. Kana usina wristband auchabvumidzwa kupinda. Saka make sure you keep your wristband.
Okay, let me repeat what our event planner has just said. She said the purpose of the wristband, are they all the same color wristbands?
This
okay,
they're different colors.
All right.
Vendor and avo ne wristband ye bo.
Okay, so my vendor have got 2 wristbands.
Yes.
Wristband ye bo, ne wristband ye vendor.
Yes.
Okay.
Because my vendor, they are paying for their tickets and they are paying for their table.
Okay.
But they need to wear them 2 wristbands.
Okay.
And why a different color is because one of varkuya early. Saka kana varkuya early kuzoita set up varkuzikanwa varkuya early vane a certain color of a wristband.
Okay, so they will be allowed into the venue earlier than anybody else.
Yes.
All right, got you.
Yes. Then, course, my production team yedu production in a different rhythm.
Okay.
Saka vanhu vakaita se vetikita DJ anani vese vari kuprovide any product. Then kwaita vebo vane a different color of a wristband.
Okay.
Saka pama envelope makaona pakanyorwa kunzi black. Kana pakanyorwa kunzi black, that means kuti you are our guest and you are of the ball ne ticket rako. Saka pane ticket number ne ticket re number ye wristband yako.
Okay.
Mapabatisisa. Then then my admins and SIS MELLY vane yavo as well, because vachanonoka futi kupinda.
Okay, all right. So each and everyone has a wristband, or at least 2 wristbands, like
Yeah.
my vendors. They've got the wristband for the ball and the wristband for being a vendor. So everyone has a wristband that identifies them. In the event that you need to go out, kana kuenda kumotikari kwako kunopika something, and you come back, your wristband will tell us that you have paid and you are a guest. Saka kana usina wristband, let's say you are forgeta ningirikini inonzi chii envelope yako mukati, you might have difficulties in coming back. So zvekuzopenga penga isi tiri kutaura hazvibatsire. You just have to bear until someone which we don't want and which we are not encouraging. Kuti someone will have to identify you. It means we are now going back to our register of the paid people to look for you, because security ichakurambidza kupinda. Saka just for the night we are saying tokumbirawo mupfeke ma wristbands enyu, and kana makunotora madrinks ataurwaya, you have got 6 drinks for the night, three soft drinks and 3 bottles of water for the night. Make sure you have got your ticket that you present kana uchida something to drink, and then you get your drink. Tikangofamba neurongwa ihwoka tinobatsirika nasterek, and it will be easy life for the person ari pamadrinks and also for the person ari pauri, rather than kuenda pamadrinks and you start wanting to clarify yourself, or because you are putting on a gown, what I must be served. Ndizvo zvatiri kutaura here.
Madrinks vasina coupon vanotofanira kubvisa £2 yedrink.
Okay, no coupon, because tiri kupa macoupon acho 6 per person. Saka if you come with no coupon for whatever reason, it's £2. You have to pay an additional £2 per drink or per bottle of water that you get.
Mvura it to be.
Auntie?
Mvura.
Yeah.
Mvura it will be £1.
Mvura it will be £1. Soft drink it will be £2.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I don't know, do you have anything else to say before we open my lines for people to be asking what they want to ask?
No,
ticket,
no, we are not taking any tickets per door because they are not catered for, and at pekuti vazogara, because number yatina is the number that open the venue. Number yedu yakwana pakati, saka everything will be set according to the number zatinenge tavapa. So no ticket.
No tickets at the door.
No.
Are you still selling tickets?
If people still want tickets, I can give an offer for today only.
Okay.
And after NASA Pacisin. We are closing. At this line, we are closing everything down. So if you want a ticket, it's there.
Okay, I know we had a targeted number that we initially wanted, and we said depending on my tickets we would extend. Number ya mitika here kana kuti ya yet to meet the number. What's going on?
To be honest, we have met our numbers. We have met them. But in case somebody wants to prove kuti SIS MELLY we are to increase, but to increase we get for a chance. If you remember, I increase my tickets the last month, 5 weeks.
Yeah.
This was another 50. So those tickets, they're there for people to buy them, but because nobody came, we couldn't meet up with the first target, so we had to sell the targeted ticket first before we can sell the other 50. But now 50 tickets are there if anybody wants them for today, so that we finalize with the venue setting up. But apart from that, it's all good.
Okay, we have right from the onset said no children in the venue because there is going to be alcohol. Yes. And just imagine uri mugauni rako mwana achimhanya around zvokwadi anandiseri navanopiringishika vakaitoisa makumbo mudenga zvikatonyadzisa. But we have said no children.
Yeah, there were several reasons why we couldn't allow children.
Okay, tell us.
One, it's for safety reason. And two, it's about the time we are starting the show.
And finishing
our show. And then third is the type of venue. Yeah, in a zone really a little bit expensive, which our insurance yatakakwanisa ukutora haikwanise kucover zvimwe zvinhu kana zvazopunzika.
Okay. All right. So no children.
Yes, so we had to put that. I know kuti yanga iri decision yakaomesesa, because pamutemo kana waenda nemwana somewhere, let's say kamwana kadiki, they have to be out, apane doro, and they have to be out of that, because doro richatengeswa, kutotengesa doro pana munhu webar ari kuuya kuzotengesawo doro rake. So kana doro riri kutengeswa, that means kuti nzvimbo iyoyo it's not suitable for vana from 9 o'clock. Saka just imagine kuti wautanga kuuya na6, wasvika na6, wakutonzi 9 o'clock chibudai nekuti mune mwana, unenge usati watomboona the rest of the show. Saka it was very unfair for us kuti titore mari dzevanhu vanenge vachiuya nevana when we can't accommodate them for the whole night.
Okay, do you have anything else before I open up my lines?
No, I would like you to open the lines so that it's easy to answer my question.
Okay, ndokumbira umundisire number so that I can pin it, please.
Okay.
Anyway, on this night, what we are also saying is, and say kuti hapasi kunakidza, zviri kutobohwa izvi hazvisi kunakidza. Remember kuti chinhu chinakidze chinotanga newe iwewe. That is what we are saying on this day. Tanga kunakidzwa iwewe, so that when people come in, they join. Ukamirira kusvika panzvimbo uchida kutsvaga kunakidzwa. Okay, I think we need to talk about time as well, the importance of time. I'll leave it to Auntie Dani to talk about importance of time and what is going to happen if you happen to come late. Ndandiri kuti inini kana ukasvika panzvimbo haikona kungosvika and you start sulking, wakungotarisa around, kana ungoti zvacho izvi zvinenge zvisina kurongeka izvi. Kana waona zvisina kurongeka, be like Auntie Selina when she gets to a place and she sees that things are not very organized, of which I'm not saying that is the case, because our event planner has worked tirelessly for things to fall in.
Selina.
Maisa? Okay. Let me try and pin it. Pin. Okay. I think you can now see the number. I'm saying kuti kana wasvika opa event, you are a diary. This is a diaries event. You are a guest, yes, but don't be just a guest and a spectator. When you see kuti chair yakadona, don't say because I am a guest, I am not going to pick up the chair. Spring into action and pick up the chair. Kana waona pane chida kuitika, chida kuitwa, also spring into action. Ndiri kuti inini, tanga kunakidzwa iwewe, so that when others come in vanotosvika muine vibe yawatanga iwewe wototanga kunakidzwa. Zvino ukada kutanga kusvika uchiswita kunge uri muroora ipapo, aiwa unopedza night yese. I can assure you uri muroora. Inini ndikasvika hangu panzvimbo ndakutotanga kuita ka-action kana kutotanga kudhensa ndiri ndega. Saka kuti nzvimbo inakidze, event yawapinda inakidze, zvinotanga newe iwewe. Once you set yourself into a mood yekuti pari kubohwa, I can assure you panotobohwa big time. Saka pinda uite mood yekutotanga kunakidzwa iwewe. Remember we said we are all equal on this night, and it's not about Auntie Selina, it's not about Auntie Dani, it's not about Mkoma Gordon or Cherry, it's not about Tatenda Molin. No, it's not about an Auntie Renika or Ana Gogongwenya. It's about you. Kunakidzwa kwako, it's about you. So what you make it will happen. Ukadisaida kuboe kana panotoboho zveshuwa. Ukadisaida kunakidzwa panotonakidzwa zveshuwa. I'm going to hand it over to Auntie Dani to speak about time. Time is going to be of paramount importance.
Yes.
I'll repeat. Our time is going to be of paramount importance. No disrespect to events that happen elsewhere. United Kingdom, you know, if they say doors open at 6:30, it's 6:30. And if they tell you kuti we are closing at 2, no matter kuti muchiri kuridza dindindi renyu, the place has to be closed at 2. So we need to adhere to my times so that we utilize time yedu yatabhadharira zvakanaka. Auntie Dani, what are you saying about time? And in the event that you are late, what is happening? Enlighten us.
Time yedu, all our guests were expecting you to be at the venue by 6:30. So 6:30, everyone going to get their envelope and doing what they have to do that time. So taking you not to late. Please, ngatisaite time here is Zimba.
Yes. It's not Zimba time.
Not,
please not. It's not Zimba time.
If you are late, you are late. Doors are going to close by 8 o'clock. Doors are going to close by 8 o'clock. 7:30, one is expected on their table. Mona, a grand entry. Saka, that means we don't want coming in. Guests will be their tables waiting. But we want everyone to see. And it's Saka, time is very crucial. And 8 o'clock, the tanga. So you're all a bit and it's Saka try zviri nani kuti muchiishwa matickets enyu ends nzvimbo yati tikasabuda natu we are charged £600 for a minute. Tikangoti because radio DJ anofanira in 1:30. Saka kana DJ avhara 1 imimi makutanga kuchirongedzawo zvinhu zvenyu nekudini nekubuda ne 2 o'clock munhu saka tikatononoka by 1:15 kana kuti 2 o'clock takutonzi 600 per hour takutochargwa that hour. Saka 600 here akomana ngati £5 yatakabhadhara inenge yakubva kupisi pedza.
Okay, the importance of time, I think murikuzvinzwa na Auntie kuti time is very important and very crucial, so be there on time. What will happen is now 8 o'clock doors are going to be closed, and you find you might after 8 yacho you might have to wait outside, and panoitwa intervals that is when you will be allowed to open. That is when doors will open briefly for people that are late to come in, but we are not encouraging lateness. Let me also say this. We have said it's not Zimbabwean time. If you do Zimbabwean time and you get phone ya anti iri breaker anti tatenda. Okay, what she was saying, yanga iri breaker. What she was saying is time is very crucial. Be at the venue na 6:30 kuti mutange kupinda nekupiwa matickets enyu. You should be there by 8 o'clock at the most. But let me say this, when we say 8 o'clock, panenge pane zvinoitinge zvichitoitika na 8 o'clock ipapo mastarters atanga. Ukasvika starter time yapera. Unfortunately, we are not going to go back to starter kuti unotanga starter. Ukasvika vanhu vadya dinner, zvinhu zvabviswa. We are not going to go back there and serve you dinner. We are not going to do that. We are going to be strict. Asi kana wasvika dinner yapera, wakutaura kuti ndakashaya chikafu, ndanchikumbirawo kuti mubva mapedzisa kunyora kuti ndakanonoka kusvika ndosaka ndakashaya chikafu, because we are going to be that strict.
Yes.
We are going to be that strict. Once starters are served and starter time is over, we will not serve you starters.
Yes.
Once dinner time is over and dinner yavarwa, we are not going to serve you dinner. The same as dessert. We are not going to serve you dessert. Once manonoka kushika. Mukanonoka, there are welcome drinks and canapes, whatever. You are not going to get that because you are already late. Musati vatataura kuti pane macanapes nemastarter. Asina handina kumbomawana. Ibva imapedzisa kutaura kuti nekuti ndakanonoka. That is how strict we are going to be. Because you know where we are. Time doesn't wait for a person. We have to wait for time. Aimirire munhu. As she said, once 1:30 comes, the DJ is going to stop the music. So we have got that 30 minutes gap of people starting to pack up and moving out. Because once we go, we are supposed to be out by 2 o'clock. Once we go into 10 past, takutotanga kuchajwa for that hour, and it's £600 extra per hour. Isusu, we cannot afford that. So we are saying kuti 1:30 when DJ Sebelebe is winding off his music, let's also start to prepare to go out as well. We are sincerely hoping to see each other, to place the voices and the faces of Auntie Selina into the being. You can just want out, do Auntie Selina wacho. Askana maona Auntie Selina live ka. Yakona kuzoti do Auntie Selina wacho. Itira yo mumoyo.
Ke ku donate for it per hour. Dangoti pa 100 pa kana 1 wedzere. Ati sikuramba edu ma donation akadaro kana pana ari kuda edu kuti tigoti ma hour ebo. Zvinokwanisika kuitika. But take 2 hours.
Anzina antitatenda antidanai, please don't forget kamhiripiri for kasadza. Ke donation kai. Aiwa antidanai muri kuti muri kudonata here kana ndiri kutadza kuverenga? Tinoida donation yenyu yekutenga mhiripiri yacho ka. Tinoida, hatiirambe. Tinoida.
Vana kutenga here
handisi kunyatsoziva kuti vari kunyora kuti vada kutenga here kamhiripiri kacho. Handisi kunyatsoziva.
Mhiripiri.
So tangoti tinyatsowonesana, especially patime kana kuti ukasvika a certain meal yasevwa. If it's served, it's gone. It's dead and buried. Saka kana maona isisipo, ndiri kuti kana takunyora paya kuti ndakasvika handina kana kutombopiwa starter, ngatichizoremembai kutaurawo futi kuti time dzakange dzapera. ndakanonoka kusvika ndikaona starter yasevwa. Saka I'm going to open up the lines for people that are wanting to speak to us and ask my questions. Ask especially Auntie Danai my questions. The number is pinned below. It's a UK number, 447748330801. The lines are open if you want to talk to us. We'll take about five or six people. That is if there are any questions. Now, no fascinators, ladies, please. Yeah, this event is not a fascinator event. Isuse duve kusaziva tichangotanga ball. Ndikabva ndataurawo zvefascinator. Avakomana ndakasekwa. Ndakasekwa, please. Zvikanzi anti haisi event yefascinator. Saka haiwa ndadzidza in the past 6 months. I've learned a lot. The lines are open if you want to contribute something. At the moment, I'm looking at the phone. There are no phones. Where do we? Sorry, go on, Auntie. Auntie Dana imurku kata.
Oh, ndatitatenda ndafona tudzenya yake chazvo chaizvo.
Auntie tatenda, number is pinned below. Hanzi tifonerei mutiudze kuti muri kudonata mhiripiri here inodyiswa kasadzaka. Ndozvamuri kutaura here? Hatina kunyatsonzwisisa zvamuri kutaura kuti muri kutaura kuti chi. Hatina kunyatsonzwisisa. Our ball is going to be powered by none other than Zororo.
Oh, yes. That was crucial. Nandakanganwa.
Our ball is powered by Zororo Pumulani. Yes. Zororo Pumulani powered our ball.
We got a huge donation from Zororo.
Yes, we got a very huge donation from Zororo Pumulani. Hence, your tickets were a little bit cheap. Because I'll be honest, Maria Maka charged yema ticket. What is going to take place, you'll find and you will appreciate it was nothing. So we want to say a big thank you. A big thank you to Zororo Pumulani.
Vakati insurance ku South Africa kutora police vedwe.
Wedwe, let's do us a big favor in return by just buying policy Zororo Pumulani. Nekuti, as you know, if we are expecting at least 2 guests from Zororo Pumulani, and we are hoping they are going to initiate the opening and the launching of a global funeral insurance, Ivove Zororo Pumulani. So they gave us a very big, let me say a very big donation, which enabled us kuti tinge tinoti dzikisei ma tickets. It's because Zororo Pumulani paid a chunk of Maria Kudonata for our ball to be what is going to be. When this my love and likes kune Zororo Pumulani ne zvayakaita. My love ne my likes kune Zororo Pumulani. My love ne my likes kune Zororo and sutombona my love ne my likes kana kuti phone yangu. I thank you so much. Thank you so much. Zororo Pumulani yakaita zvinogara yakatiitira zvinogara zvakadaro. Kana paina anoziva anyone weku management yeku Zororo Pumulani avatagewo tiuye tivatende kuti evo mutupo wavo hanzi ndipumulani ndo mutupo wavo, saka ndo wandichavatenda navo. Evo Pumulani we. Thank you so much. A big thank you from the leadership. Yes, SIS MELLY, from SIS MELLY herself, from the leadership. Yes, SIS MELLY's diaries. Mukoma Gordon is the one who initiated and negotiated for us to get some sponsorship from Zororo Pumulani. A big thank you, Kuna Mukoma Gordon. A big thank you kuna Mukoma Gordon, manager wa SIS MELLY, ndo vakafacilitator for us to get that sponsorship. Saka tinongo vatenda nekuyuza my expertise avo ekuti mari itobva kuAfrica. Honestly, mari yakauya kunoku yakabva kuAfrica ikatotumirwa nePayPal, yakatumirwa nePayPal tikaireceiva. Thank you so much Zororo Pumulani nebasa ramuri kubata futi kuAfrica nekutsigira SIS MELLY dzimwe nguva vachikuchemerai vachiti hapana mari and you spring into action. Zororo Pumulani, thank you so much. Hapana foni dzinenge dziri kuuya, saka tinenge tiri in the right track. I think we have covered it all. No phone call coming to ask anything indicates kuti we have said our piece very, very, very well. I'm hoping to see each and every one of the 150 people that have paid for their tickets. Remember, Tichito Initiator Ball, we said each and everyone is going to pay for ticket. And I indicated kuti na ivo SIS MELLY vachabhadhara ticket ravo. Kudiaries hakuna zvekuti vari guest vari kubva kuAfrica uku.
Kuna mari kasi Auntie Selina.
Vakatogara vachiziva kuti visa ringaite havo, asi kana vasina kubhadhara tiketi ravo havapindi. Saka we were so strict on who was to pay, and it was everyone who was going to pay for their tickets, and we did achieve that. Even Zororo paid us Maria Kawanda, but let me also tell you that their tickets were paying tickets, not free tickets. Kuno hatina kuita zve free tickets even kuZororo, and they didn't even complain, to our surprise. They didn't even complain pamsoro pekutipa mari. So yeah, hapana call iripo. Saka I think we have said our piece.
SIS MELLY ndichabhadhara.
Brit Ebony, ndiri kukubata ndichingobva pano. Brit Ebony ndichingobva pano. Ndiri kukubata. Because number dzako ndinadzo pafoni yandiri kutaura. Brit Ebony 55 pounds ndichibva pano. Ndichibva pano. 55 pounds.
Toda kutenda Auntie Selina, I've been blessed once ndanga ndiri palive panapa. I've been blessed one of the sisters pano. Hanzi ndizvibhukire VIP ticket rekuenda ku-escort for next year.
Woku escort?
Ku-escort. Ndakapfeka rinozifascinator.
Nditatenda inhingirikini yatatenda here.
Muda uzivire blessa wangu.
Aiwa, tida kuzombata kuiyo. Ukasatiudza kaioka anoti handina umbodaro. Saka unoudza umwe munhu kuti tibva taziva kuti pane evidence yekuti zvakazivikanwa. Ndaiona antitatenda tinokubatai mati muri kupa antidani tiketi rekuenda kuascot uku. Ndokwavanganopfekera heti. Ndokunodiwa heti ikoko. Actually, Antidani, talking of that, you know, you might consider my diaries ladies to go to escort because ndikoko heti nehai.
Ini rangu kandere VIP askana rangu.
Aiwa renyu riripo, but you might decide to organize
I would
escort for next year. I think we would love that as ladies as well. Escort.
Yeah, I will organize it.
Anyway, we are going to sign off. Me and my event planner and the ladies behind the scenes, the functions team. A big thank you for rallying behind us. Next week on Saturday, muchage mchiona ma live anenge achiburitswa tiri station to Birmingham. So the day that we have all been waiting for the past 6 months will come to pass next week on Saturday. Until then, from me and my event planner, Auntie Dani, it's a very good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, depending on where you are. And hope to see you, those that are coming, on Saturday.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Varkundifonera, I have to decline
Ah,
because I can't
Ingodaira,
answer.
maybe a hot question. Maybe a hot question.
Varkundifonera pa wrong line. Varkundifonera pa live phone yandiri pa live. Saka unfortunately I can't answer them. So
Okay.
I will say kuti me and my event planner and the 13-14 ladies who have been actively participating day and night behind the scenes to make the first ever SIS MELLY's Diaries ball in the United Kingdom in Birmingham a success. We are out.
Out.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.